students had to drift for their donuts.
Blue fit, see them county drop 90,000.
My girl, me we jump in a maca for you. You want a man with choppy line, me turn chopper for you.
Welcome to the social media countdown. Burritos, big up yourself early, gang on the live. Make sure say hit the thumbs up button right now. Okay, ready? All right. Stop right there. So G's and P, we have to go save that Stefflon, Dana and Burna boy and Jada Kingdom story for later on. Box cover, welcome to another top 10 social media countdown, Burritos. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope everything is okay in our life. We'll have so many topics to go and cover. But before I do so, I have to encourage you to join the membership groups. Hit right here in the description section so you can join the Burrito Army. Because I know normally I message me and say, how can we contribute or support the Duttyberry channel? Well, this is how you can join our membership groups. Okay, well, let's get into this week's top 10 countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Krispy Mania, me donut. Okay, people, so the know say international donut brand Krispy Kreme is now in Jamaica, and people, oh God, lines on top of lines. People have been congregating outside of the people them establishment all for that donut. No, things got so viral to the point where other brands started to run in on the whole entire craze. So you had the Jamaica Constabulary Force with for themselves put up this particular meme, and it said, do not forget to, of course, go bring in the criminals them. Like, honestly, JCF, like whosoever is running their social media only deserve every bit of a raise.
He's got good brains.
You also had Chilitos, and this is what they put together. And then you had tabs that said, do not forget to use a condom. So that was a part of the whole entire meme craze that was brought on all because of Krispy Kreme. Now you have a teacher. He's a teacher at George's. He goes by the name of Simon the Writer, and he actually bought Krispy Kreme for his students. Take a look.
Krispy Kreme decided to give me some gift vouchers, and I decided to surprise my class with some donuts. Based on the numbers, everybody get one.
Late students had to drift for their donuts.
No, dipping.
No, honestly, we need to see more teachers like this. I'm sure all of the kids, they definitely enjoy it. And boy, why am I going to get some of them freeness here with me that I got school? Come on, man. But Burritos, let me know in the comments, have you tried Krispy Kreme's donut? And what do you think about it? Sound off below. Number 9, money back guarantee. Make purse drop. Okay, Burritos, so this video got many people like having their, debating sessions, all because this particular man by the name of Dr. Skrilla, who posted a video online and detailed a story of how he actually tried to tell a woman says she drop her money and the woman never react in a positive way. Take a listen.
Ladies, not every time your man say psst or hello or young miss, I look where I look, you know. Sometimes, matter of fact, most of the times, us men, high value men, who value ourselves, who value our time, we don't need to call to, you know. Anyway, they are Fontana a while ago. I saw one brown sitting drop on the ground. Said, hello, morning, excuse me. Kiss up teeth, you gone there, blue fit. See them county drop 90,000. So see it now, I spend on 10,000 now, tight. I know you go see it, you know. Only people follow me and then know me and them I go share it. Yes, Mr. the blue fit. You cock up in your fit and you're gone. Left your 90,000. Well, DM me. And make sure you send me a picture of your blue fit. Can me take picture of your car. Because I don't want your money, you know. I don't want you and I don't want your money. So, when you're ready, you contact me. But I spend 10,000 night. Because one bar come off I guess. And the next 5,000 for my time. So, we are, just link.
It's so funny. It's so funny to me.
Oh gosh, wow. No, honestly, like, you know what? when he posted this video, I looked on it and I said, boy, you know, this just seemed like a funny story. And so everybody's kind of, what you call it, like, divided on this. All right, so I'm going to ask Danger Producer, what do you think about this? What do you think about him approach?
Personally, I actually agree with him. I feel like he's a fair man because the fact that he decided that he's going to take $10,000 out of the money and come on Instagram and say, girl, you can come to me to get back your money. I don't want your money. That is fair because enough people that take the money. So I agree with him 100%. Mm-hmm.
You know, it's a part when him talk about say he's a high value man and all kind of things. And the girls them, you know, the feminists them on Twitter, they start for doing him and say, why you say a high value man? Because a real man would really give her the money.
Listen to me, I can explain.
And I think him could have just give her the money because by right, remember, you know, you dep on the road, woman know who attack on him, you know. Mm-hmm. And so, of course, you probably a stereotype him and say, him probably look like a little robber. What him could have done is just say, idiot girl, you know, I don't want nothing from you. If you have a customer go cuss, him could have just say, face the woman, and I look you. I just see your money drop, and I want to give it to you. And right there, then probably turn around and say, Jesus, P.M., Mr. Sorry, you get me? But I guess he was in his feelings because the way the woman bruised him ego. So a twofold. Can really could I just say, idiot girl, save money, I don't want it from you. And that would have been the end of the day. But let's just see. I want to hear from you guys. What do you make of this situation? Sound off below. Number 8, TikTok song. Me dancehall. Okay, burritos know. So I was on TikTok and I book up this song. Like this song epic. This song could have win Magnum King and Queen of dancehall. And it come from one artist by the name of Grimlord. And so him have a song and just the first line alone. My girl, when we jump in a McAfee. Listen to the song.
My girl.
No man, this shell. Like boy, oh boy, this is just boy. Honestly, this song need to go viral. It just have a vibe. It is funny, and I think it reminds me of how you used to have some of the veteran dancehall artists, them like the Professor Nuts, who used to use comedy in them whole entire musical career. So burritos, let me know how much you would give this out of 10. This particular song, My Girl, Me Will Jump in a McAfee.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Box cover Duttyberry here, and I have some exciting news to share with you. I have now decided to, you know, build more of a community with you awesome people, and that is through channel memberships. So I've decided to do it in 3 different tiers, and so the first tier is level 1, and that is called Box Cover Burritos. Okay, so that's for us $2.99, and then level 2, the second tier, is the My Word Burritos. This is for $6.99. And then the final tier is the My Sentence Burritos, and this is for $24.99. But burritos, you know them something here awkward for me to do, but you know what I say? We're big people. Me and you, we know each other from a long time and we can talk. So it's support for support, and I just want you to join me on this journey because this will also give me a better positioning so I can do other content and really see how I can help this Jamaican content creation space. So, you know, join right now, today. Number 7, church off key. No burritos, no. This video just had me laughing because you know when you got church, a true Jamaican church, at some point somebody is going to go up on the pulpit, they call it. Somebody, some sister or brother, bishop is going to go up there for go sing, and there's always a point where them just stray from the keys. Them it's like, me no know, them not understand the right key. They're going to move away from it. In this video now, the scene is at a church and they were playing that popular song, Lean On Me. You know that's a big tune. Lean on me when you're not strong. That song, right? Nobody cannot spoil it, right? Take a listen.
If we are wise, we know that always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll let you down.
Sometimes in our life, we all have faith. We all have sorrow. But we don't. Yeah, man. We are living. They always tomorrow. Take it away. Now, man. Out of the choir. Right there and then, me there for come out of the choir. You hear how the brother going them eat chiquitita voice? No, man, listen it again. No, honestly, why is it that you always have this particular person in every church? No. Yeah, man, I have to go and come in the piano player and the drummer for actually trying to keep it together as best as possible. Because honestly, if me did at the church, I'd run me reach. Because that was not it. But as my mother tell me is that you must what? Reverence the sanctuary. So people, burritos, let me know what you thought about this, and have you ever encountered a moment like this in your church? Sound off below. Number 6, Kizzy Fest. Me, what is not this? So burritos, so you know, it's a social media personality by the name of Kizzy Don. If you don't know her, she's up on TikTok. She's quite popular on the platform, and she's known for this particular type of talking voice.
Hey TikTok, today is my birthday. You see, I'm 25 now, which means I get older.
So recently, she put up this particular post that appeared to be her going to be making her Sumfest debut, and it had the caption, "What was they saying now?" Did I do a good voice? What was they saying? Oh God, I'm not even gonna try. What was they saying now? Some fans, what they saying now? I'm booked for this show. Oh God, I really am bad. But anyhow, so when Kizzy Don met this post, you know, everybody has said, wow, no man, a big deal settings. Who the hell did contacted Joe Bogdanovich for to sort out all of this? Because it seems like the show that the on this Shenseea come up. Because this is how that be a big deal, because she don't really have whole heap of song out the road like that. So this would have seemed like, you know, some serious connections being made in her quote-unquote launch year. So right after Kizzy Don made that post, no reggae Sumfest that jumpy now and clap back, this is what they had to say.
Good day, Kizzy. I am contacting you on behalf of the Reggae Sumfest team.
Jesus.
We are kindly asking for you to remove the graphic illustrating your participation or performance at Reggae Sumfest 2023.
Oh my.
The graphic was not created by our organization and is in no way affiliated with the festival.
Oh gosh.
The use of this graphic with the festival logo and imaging is a copyright infringement. Thank you for your understanding, and we wish you the best on your endeavors.
Oh wow. Oh wow. No, what the Queenie meme said. Shame is killing me on their behalf. And so once that happened, you know, on social media stay, people started to jump in, coming up with different memes to make fun of the situation. And so Kizzy Don, in order to, I guess, save face, she has put out this statement to basically suggest that an email was sent to her team that actually was confirming her appearance on this year's staging of Sumfest. And here's what she had to say.
Hey TikTok, I received an email that I was booked for Reggae Sumfest 2023. The email also came with the picture for me to go ahead and post on my social media platform. The email stated that I wouldn't be paid for the event because Reggae Sumfest see my talent and would like to give me an highlight. After now Reggae Sumfest commented on the picture on the page, I then realized it was fraudulent. And now I am being tracked on the entire social media platform that I booked myself for Reggae Sumfest, which is not the case. I would like to apologize to all my fans and Reggae Sumfest because I didn't know it was a scam. Hopefully next year I'll be on the event. God bless you, Jamaica.
Oh wow, so burritos?
That's weird.
But I love to hear from Uno. Uno actually believe Kizzy. Only thinks that she legitimately got a confirmation email from the Sumfest team, or you think that she's just doing this entire thing to get her name out there. What I think is a little social media prank she do for kind of promote herself. Sound off below. More for here. Number 5, Jada Light. Okay, Burritos, so you know Gio, he is the son of popular Jamaican artist Wayne Marshall, you know, the whole Mitchell family gang. So Gio, he has been, you know, showing his producing side, and he's also showing off them vocals. He's been showing the vocals, especially on his TikTok page. So he recently posted a cover of Mortimer's Lightning. Now, if you do not know this Lightning song, you know, people, may I tell you, this is one of the best reggae songs to have come like after like 2015. The song is just iconic, and it not even have 15 years in the game as yet. Now man, play the song, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. The song just give it another little feels, you know, the little rubber dub vibe there. My mother can't tell you about Rent-A-Tile, because she born them little, you know, them days there before Christopher Columbus did up on the earth. People, my mother is actually in front of me. That's why I do that. Mommy, you can't say hi. You say, we say hi now? So you have to put on your customer service voice. Oh God, all right, mommy, we're just so shy right now, but yeah, mommy has to big up to the people who are on the live right now. And if you're watching, please hit the thumbs up button for my mother. Okay? Right, mommy? Right, this side there. What? Mommy, what you know about right this side there? Mommy, what you know about right this side there? Yes, so nice. Okay, no, honestly, mommy, I'm not with this. It's the social media. Be having appearance and know the little stuff them.
Oh, how the tables have turned.
What do you mean my mother about right there say there? That's Christ, not my mother learning Dutty language. Okay, anyway, may I say, yeah man, that is the song that Mortimer has, and so this is the cover that Gio did.
Your love struck me down like lightning, thundering my soul, baby. My heart beats for you. Every word is true. I'm in love with you.
No man, come on man, round of applause. That is a talent. That is a talent right there. So him come from a musical family. You know, you have Tessan Chin, Wayne Marshall, Tommy Chin, all of that there. And you can definitely see that it is clearly in the genetics because it has passed over to Gio and his voice, his tone.
May not die, Bobby, but yeah, but I love you in every way. I said I love you in every way.
I only hope him get the right guidance, and so sooner or later we'll be seeing him dominating the airwaves locally and internationally. What did you make of his cover burritos? Sound off below. Number 4, Abort, Mission, me Pepsi and Salt. Okay, burritos, so there has been this topic. Of course, it is always ongoing about to abort or not to abort, and you know, trying to determine what is Jamaica's stance on this particular issue. So recently in Parliament, Malahu Ford, she spoke upon the issue, and this is what she had to say.
I don't have it in my presentation, but I hear the issue of abortion, and I know my colleague has spoken about it in this house. I say to people that changing the law for abortion will never be my platform, for the simple reason that my mother told me that when she was pregnant with me, at every stage of her pregnancy, she was told to abort me. Every stage. She was told that if she didn't abort me, she would die or I would die, or we would be ill. No, I, in honor of my mother and respect for my own life, take a certain position. Having said that, I understand that others may do otherwise. I'm just saying, me, for my own history, my own narrative, circumstances around my own life, the abortion issue is not mine. Let me make it clear.
Okay, burritos, that is her stance. I honestly, you know what? I'm okay with her sharing her story, but it's just very odd based on her position to be revealing her personal stance of on the issue like this, because it might come back to bite her in the rear end when she does give her viewpoints in future issues. And so, you know, you have to kind of respect her for talking about that story. She said that is her mother's stance, but I didn't think it was needed in the conversation right now, based on her role as the Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs. But Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. What is your stance on this whole entire abortion matter? Are you pro-choice or not? Sound off below.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Alright, so on the Big Up segment, I have to go and say a huge congrats to Jamaica's men's hockey fives team for qualifying for the inaugural World Cup in Oman in January, 2024, after beating Paraguay to finish the championship in third place. Big deal settings, congrats. Number 3, new CVM hosts. Me looking in, me looking out, me looking even better. Okay, Burritos now. So CVM, they have been doing one whole entire change, one switcheroo. Them have new management, and it look like them have budget now, money are spent, and so we are see one whole entire what you call it, new changes being made. And so they recently announced that they are going to be having a new lineup for CVM at Sunrise. And here, who the people them have, right? Them have Tommy Mitchell. They have Dennis Brooks. Okay, they have brought in IT Ellis. I'll watch your style here. Miss Kitty. Now, talk about a dream team. This is going to encourage a lot of people to probably watch CVM at Sunrise who never normally watch before. I actually feel like I would wake up early. I don't know, me no wake up early, but I would actually wake up early to see this. More want to see the chemistry, more want to see if they're going to be doing interactive type of games, the conversations that will be had, and this hopefully will put a whole, you know, new energy and rejuvenation behind the CVM TV brand.
It is absolutely amazing, and I was not expecting this award at all. And so I'm just wanting to thank the CVM family, and I want to thank the CVM Academy. I would like to thank, yes, everyone who made this possible, and of course our advertisers, without whom we would not be here, and the billions that we'll spend with us. Let me tell ya, it's gonna be worth every dollar. Don't watch the money, now watch the party, just watch the value of the money. You understand?
And so, you know, moving beyond that, we still have Curlin Brown. So she will be doing this, the nightly news. And we now have Camila McDonald. She's going to be doing her early morning, an exercise fitness show. You remember we used to have Gillard back in the day? So she'll be starting things off from as early as 5:30 to around 6, doing, you know, exercise and all of that stuff. So CVM TV seems to be positioned to be in it to win it. And so me, I wonder right about now, how Smile Jamaica are going to respond. Because we know them are looking up. We know you have Neville, Simone, Delia. We are used to that dynamic. And so we are wonder how will this kind of increase the competition, and where will people go in the morning time. So Burritos want to hear from you. Will you be sticking to your Smile Jamaica in the morning, or you think you're going to give CVM TV a chance with this new lineup? Sound off below. Oh yes, and before I forget, me also I hear say Wayne Marshall is going to be on CVM TV. I'm going to have his own show called The Cut, and it's going to be like a male-focused type of show, kind of talk about topics relating to, you know, just like masculinity and all of that. And so I'm also looking forward to see all of that.
Yes, Baba. The Cut. It's not a talk show. Join me and my friend them as we would a reason.
Honestly, like CVM TV, we just hope say everything plays out well, because I just love competition in the local space. So I want to see, you know? Number 2, Jada versus Stefflon. Me last. Okay, Burritos, now this topic, this is just trending, and you know, people love a good piece of mix up, a good love triangle. So let me just give you the characters. You have Burna boy, the right in the middle. Over here so, you have Jada Kingdom. And over here so, you have Stefflon. Now if you don't know them, Jada Kingdom and Stefflon, they are artists. You know, say Stefflon sing the song, "No boy can't diss me about my mother." I have Jada Kingdom. I love my fruit, the banana, it a shake. And then you have Burna boy with last. Now everybody I got chop breakfast. Shayo. I took me now to give. I know to tea for the Nisacho. Yeah, I don't know the words, I'm so good. But interestingly enough, y'all know that Stefflon Don and Burna Boy used to date. They were actually in a relationship for over a year. Them did a one good, proper relationship. And the song that Burna Boy did that went just international and scored on all the charts around the world, last was actually a breakup song about Stefflon. So imagine the man left Stefflon Don and this is the song that just became a hit. So Stefflon did have to hear that I play all about the place, knowing that the single was about her. So that go on, right? That is the backstory. So in the middle of them time, it seems as if, Stefflon Don and Jada Kingdom, them develop a little friendship, hot girl know hot girl, so them kind of know each other. And it seems as if Burna Boy and Jada Kingdom have been drawing close. They might get closer together. They are conjoining together like two dogs in a mating season. That is what is going on right now. And so recently, Jada Kingdom was spotted wearing Burna Boy's Damini chain. So when people see the picture, the people are saying, but wait there, this don't look like a Burna Boy chain. And then there was another post where Jada Kingdom was showing off her new Birkin bag. And this was the song we should play tonight. No, come on now. Come on now, man. She basically say if a boy want for claim her, he must go, give her a Birkin bag for sure off. And that was a single that she did with the artist 9 recently. And so, many people are just going behind, back and forth on each of them social media so them can figure out what is really happening in this love triangle. Now, to make this even go up the ante, Stefflon Don entered the chat. She entered the chat and what did she say? That is why you're not a friend, idiot girl. So right there, that is a direct message to Jada Kingdom. Now, Jada has about 3. I'll give her like 3. Not even 3 hours to respond. Like, what will happen from this now? I think Burna Boy needs to jump in. Because him can't keep all of this. Because clearly, Stefflon still have an emotional connection, somewhat to Burna Boy. And she feel a way, say Jada Kingdom are running now. And I get all of this type of publicity and all of them little jewelry or excitement here for somebody who was, considered her friend. So, Burritos. I don't know how it will unfold from this. I do not know who is going to be the last woman standing. But all I know, somebody will get the last lick. Guess what I did there? That's so corny. Yeah, sound off below. Are you Team Stefflon, Team Burna Boy, or Team Jada Kingdom?
Yeah, don't know security I ever representing for none other than Dutty Berry and the DuttyBerryShow. I want to DM.
And number 1 goes to Jamaica Drift. Woo! Woo! Yeah. All right, great. Big up, mommy. Yeah, producer, everybody. Big up. All right, so number 1 goes to Jamaica Drift. Now, this, people, is the song that is the song of the summer. Name a better song than this. You cannot name a better song than Teejay's Drift. It is taking over Jamaica. It is Teejay's Drift and Krispy Kreme. And them are run the place right now. Them are run the place right now. Neck and neck right now. Says either you run for go buy the donut or yeah. One of them, have to go decide right now who is going to be Jamaica's next top model. That is it. So Teejay, he's a man who just always have the songs them. Like, I don't know how he managed to find it year after year. And so he has a new song that is called Drift, and it has gone viral on TikTok. There is no a choreography feat, a whole entire dance routine for the song. And boy, I practice it a little bit, but I not fully catch it. I don't really want to show it off in time. But I just know say, wait, go again, and then go someone move, and then yeah, tell them, man, I don't. If I really would want to go all out, then I could have go all out and just done the competition, Because I see so much other celebrities that try to do it. I see Usain Bolt running on it. I see Deion Jackson Miller. I see Neville and Simone. I see athlete I try to do it, but they're not bad like me. Them not catch it. Them not bring it like how me I bring it, but me just go easy. So Burritos, I would love to hear from you. Like, have you caught the dance yet? How much are you loving the song right now? I'd love to hear from you. Sound off in the comments and just tell me what is your favorite part of the drift choreography. Honestly, I think it's this part here. It's between this and the something about this with us. Like, it just feels fun for you to do it, you know? Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, man, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Do not forget to share and also to subscribe, because I try to reach the 300,000 subscriber mark. So please subscribe. Also follow me on my channel memberships. I said that is where you can support and contribute to the channel, right in the description below. Follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And for advertising and bookings, send me an email to bookings.TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.